Students, today you are going to learn chapter 1 number system. In number system, we are going to see now addition of integers. Okay, for addition of integers, what is the meaning of integers? It's a combination of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Okay, yes, the first problem, add the following using number line. Number line, how you have to draw the number line? Do you remember? Yes? Okay, we will see this first problem. 10 and minus 15. Second problem, minus 7 and minus 9. The first problem, 10 and minus 15. Number line, how you have to draw the number line? You have to draw one line. For it is one of the positive side, it is full of positive number side, it is negative number side. It denotes positive, it is full of positive, it is full of negative integers, it is 0. Okay, so first you have to find this, it is a positive integer or negative integer. It is a positive integer. You have to move forward. Okay, when you have a negative integer, you have to move backward. Positive integer, you have to move forward. Negative integers, you have to move backward. Okay, students, you have to start from 0. So that is from 0, first number, what is the first integer? 10. So we have to start from 0. 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Okay, from the first step over. For the second step, from 10, you have to move minus 15. What is it? Minus 15, you have to move backward. So from this 10, you have to move 15 steps backward. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, students. So the answer is 5. So you have to denote with one small circle, minus 5. This is the answer. Okay, so that is 10 plus minus 15 is equal to minus 5. It is a positive integer. Positive integer we have to move forward. Negative integers we have to move backward. That you make remember. Okay, students, shall we move to the next problem? Yes. Minus 7 and minus 9. You have to draw the number line. For this problem, middle will denote the 0 because one is positive integer, another one is a negative integer. But for this problem, both also negative integer. So we need more negative integers. So at least 2 or 3 positive integers we have to denote on the number line. Okay? Yes, students? Yes. Here we need positive and negative integers or more. But here we need more negative integers. So you have to denote 0 and some of the positive integers. Okay. So here we need more negative integers. So you have to denote minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. More than this up to 18 or 20 you have to denote. That is your wish. Okay, students? Yes? Okay. For always the number line we have to start from 0. For it is minus 7, so it is negative integer. This also negative integer. What is said? Negative integers we have to move backward. From 0 we have to move backward. So from 0, how many steps move backward? 7 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From this 7, again you have to move 9 steps backward. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is that number? Minus 16. So answer minus 7 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 16. Students, now example 1.2. Add minus 40 and 30, 60 and minus 50. Okay, we have to add without using number line. Minus 40 plus 30. Do you remember the addition rules, students? Same sign we have to add. Same sign we have to add. Just make remember. Same sign we have to add. Different sign we have to subtract. Same sign we have to add. Different sign we have to subtract. Same sign means both integers have positive or negative. Different sign means that is one integer have positive, another one negative, or one is negative, another one is positive. Okay, students? Yes. For this first problem, minus 40 plus 30. So, these two have same sign or different sign. You have to refer with this. Yes, it has different sign. So, different sign we have to subtract from greater number to smaller number. Which is the greater number? 40. 40 minus 30, 10. Greater number sign we have to use. Are you clear about that? Yes? Okay, good. Next, 60 plus minus 50. It is rewritten as plus into minus. You have like this different sign. It's become minus, plus into minus, minus. So, 60 minus 50. You have to combine these two. You get minus. Plus into minus, minus 50. Now, you have to check these two have same sign or different sign. It is positive, it is negative. So, it is different sign. So, we have to subtract. Subtract from greatest number. What is the greatest number? 60. 60 minus 50. So, that is equal to 10. Here, greater number is positive. So, plus 10. So, answer 60 plus minus 50 is equal to 10. Students, now example 1.3. Add minus 70 and minus 12. Second problem, 103 and 39. First problem, the given problem is rewritten as this form. Minus 70 plus minus 12 is equal to plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. So, this is rewritten as minus 70 minus 12. So, now you have to check these two integers have same sign or different sign. Same sign. Same sign. What is the procedure? We have to add. You have to add these two. What do you get? 82. What is the same sign? Minus. Okay, students? Yes, so answer minus 70 plus minus 12 is equal to minus 82. Second problem, 103 plus 39 is equal to. These two have same sign. Okay, positive sign. So, just you have to add like a normal addition. So, that is equal to 142. 9 plus 3, 12. Balance 1. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. In 100 place we have 1. So, answer 142. Students, now exercise problem. Exercise 1.1. First problem and second problem, one word question. That two afterwards I will teach to you. Okay, now we will move to the third question. Add the following. 8 and minus 12 using number line. Second question, minus 3 and minus 5 using number line. Third question, minus 100 plus minus 10. Fourth question, 20 plus minus 72. Fifth question, 82 plus minus 75. Sixth question, minus 48 plus minus 15. Seventh question, minus 225 plus minus 63. Okay, student, shall we move to the solution? So, first one solution, we have to use number line 8 plus minus 12. First, you have to identify positive integer and negative. It is a positive integer, it is a negative integer. Positive integer, we have to move forward from the 0. From 0, we have to move forward. It is second step. From that number, we have to move 12 step backward. Okay, students. So, you have to draw the number line. Normally, we have both positive and negative integers are there. So, you have to write more positive integers up to 10 or 9. How much is need related to the question? You have to denote the integers. For here we have 8. So you need 8. One more integer you have to denote, or how much you need you have to denote. I am denote here 9 and 10 also. Okay, it is not a problem. Okay, students? Yes. Then negative we have 12. So that is minimum how much you have space that like that you have to denote. Okay, now we have to start from 0 to 8. It is a positive integer, so forward. From this number you have to move 12 steps backward. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you have to draw one small circle for the answer. This is the answer. 8 plus minus 12 is equal to minus 4. Okay, students, shall we move to the next question? Yes, good. Minus 3 plus minus 5. You have to draw the number line. So we have two negative integers. So you have to take more negative integers and limited positive integers. Okay, so first you have to start from 0. Minus 3. So you have to move here. Listen, students, I made one small mistake here. Minus 3 plus minus 5. First you have to move from 0 3 steps. So 3 steps for here like this. For here. Here to here. Okay, are you clear it is? Yes. For minus 3 is there, you know, from 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you have to move 5 steps backward from this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from this we have to move. Okay, this is not. Okay, 0 to minus 3. From this minus 3 you have to move 5 steps. So for this is. Okay, once again listen. 0 to minus 3. Then from 3 you have to move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes. Good. So answer minus 3 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 8. Next, third question, minus 100 plus minus 10. It is written as minus 100 plus into minus 10. So minus 100 minus same sign. We have to add 100 plus 10, 110 same sign is minus. So answer. Fourth question, 20 plus minus 72. So plus into minus, minus 20 minus 72. These two have different signs. So you have to subtract from greater number. 72 minus 20, 52. Greater number sign is minus. So answer 20 plus minus 72 is equal to minus 52. Fifth question, 82 plus minus 75. So it is rewritten as 82 plus into minus minus. So these two have different signs. So you have to subtract from greater number. So 82 minus 75, that is 7. So greater number is positive. So answer positive. Then sixth problem, for minus 48 plus minus 15 is equal to minus 48 plus into minus 15 is equal to, these two have same sign, you have to add. So that is 63, take and write the same sign. Next, the last question, minus 225 plus minus 63. So it is written as minus 225 minus 63. These two have same sign, so we have to add. Then use the same sign. So that is 288.